It was good as hell, Tosh the Boss. I'ma spit something for y'all one time. I got y'all. I'm sorry I got the camera like this, but y'all be alright. It's me. It's me. Yo. Okay. Check it. Yo. Ayo, Tosh, bring a chair to the table. It's time to say grace and give thanks, no more troubles. I made moves, kept the tools in my duffel. I smashed out, I had to cash out. I was making moves way before a Dreamcast came out. So I moved south, I had to watch my mouth, cause if I got smart, the nigga, he kicked me out. Y'all thought it was sweet, I was living in that heat. For real, what is real and that I don't see. I was a good girl, but he chose to beat me. So I slid out, called my sis, said, book the Greyhound. I was up, I skipped town. I gained a couple pounds, stomach started getting round. I had his only son, my king Javion. People never show you who they really are until you looking in the mirror, see the ugly scar. Shit, that's the truth. That's why I'm spitting in this booth and you gon' hear me. Don't fear me, cause the only thing that fears me. So I'm standing here taller than all you Barbies. I'm the realest bitch by far, B. So when I flat, I'm not falling. Bitch, I show you ballin'. When a smile on my baby's face, that's my calling. Hard-working mommy, straight up. And when you see me on the streets, don't speak straight up. Cause when I'm on stage, you like, what's up? I walk right past, say a prayer, hope my currency lasts. Pulling off in an all-white Jag. Pick my bitch up, throw a bag, tell her roll that big blunts loud, blowing skunks. That's how I roll, a boss I was told. I laugh, I sit back and be like, yeah, I know. And that's just as far as your buddy goes. I don't do friends unless they come in twins. Send them hoes out on lots of missions. This is for ones who thought Ayo Tosh was out of commission. All I did was listen, so I flipped that, double that, stack that, re-up, triple that. You do the math. Oh, Ayo Tosh the Boss. Follow me on Twitter. Yes.